Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Mad Max Plotter for Windows version v.0.5. So it is very easy compared to previous version. So I have provided the links for the downloads in the description. Please download before you continue watching this video so that it will be easy for you to do it along with me. So before that, kindly subscribe my channel so that you will get notified when I upload the next video regarding Chia or Ethereum. There will be a readme notepad file. Go through that file before that so that it will be easy for you to configure your Mad Max plotter. So there is a different version of Mad Max for Windows. So this is the latest version of v.0.05. So before that you have to download the Visual Studio C++ to run the script. Please regularly check for the new version in the GitHub page. I'll provide the link for that so that it will be easy to keep on updating your Mad Max plotter. So we need to get a Chia keys for this. Let's see how we can get the keys. I have provided the link for that. So mostly the keys will be in this location. The username, that is your particular username of your system. Copy that link and paste it in your address bar. Change your username accordingly. So my username was Pragati, so I have added that. So in this folder, right click, open command prompt or a PowerShell, whichever it's fine. For this command is for a command prompt Chia keys show. So wait for a few seconds. The keys will be shown. There is three different keys will be there. So for PowerShell, you have to use this type of a keyword. So you can see we got the keys. There is a master pool public key. We don't want that. We have to copy a farm public key, pool public key. Copy that, paste it in a notepad so that we can use it in the configuration file. Next, we have to provide a permission for a PowerShell to execute this particular software from the remote. So there is a command. Open the PowerShell by using a administrator. Copy this command. It will take a few seconds to open this. Depends on your system. So I'm using a very old system, so it will take some time. This public key, former key and all I have created for a demo version. So don't share your public key, former key and your 24-letter keywords anywhere. It's not safe actually. So place that and it will ask whether you have provide yes. That's all in this. You can minimize it. We can use it later. That is two type of configuration file. One is for plots without log files. Second one is with log files. In this, I'm going to configure plots with log files. So I have provided the in description. You can check it. So n is number of plots you have to do it. Maybe if you provide one, it will stop with one plot. If you put 14 plots, it will continue till 14 plot. There is a -1 command. You put -1 infinity. It will keep on running until your hard disk gets full. So it depends on your hard disk capacity. You can configure that. So R is for your threads. How many threads you will be having in your processor. So default is 4. If you have a 20 thread or 24 thread or a 32 thread, it depends on that. You can configure it. So we have a 24 thread I'm putting here as a 20. The bucket size is 256 and the temporary directory. In this configuration file, we have only one temporary file because we are going to use a NVMe drive or SSD for this. Maybe in the previous version, we got two different temp files. Maybe if you are using a RAM as a drive, then you have to go for the previous version by specifying a two temporary drives. One is for a SSD or NVMe drive, first one, and second one will be a RAM drive. To create a RAM drive, you need a minimum of 118 GB of RAM. We'll open a MadMax folder and we'll configure the plots with log file. Open that. You can paste a pharma key public key which we have copied previously in the notepad file. Paste correctly a pharma key and then public key. That's all in this configuration. You can see we have provided 14 plots and number of thread is 20, and we have specified the temporary drive and a final drive. Save it, close it. Open a PowerShell and you have to specify the particular path where you have pasted this MadMax folder. So we have pasted in a desktop. So we'll go to desktop. Use dir command to view the files in the particular folder. So we are going to run a plot with logs. Dot slash plot underscore with underscore log dot. You can note it down. This command parameter file. This is not a PowerShell file. If you are configured correctly, you will get a window like this. The plotting will start. It will show you a poll public key, pharma public key, and it will take some time. So this is a log file which we have created previously. So for us we took around 89 minutes for a 20 thread process. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe so that you will be notified for the next video. Thank you. Thank you for your time.